Alright travellers, so today we're taking a look at this power bank here from Nitecore, which is the NB Air. Now this is a 5000 milliamp hour power bank, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Nitecore, so you can actually win one of these power banks new in the box and they will send it directly to you. So it's going to be running from today, which is in Australia the 10th of March, until the 17th of March, and I will be picking a winner through the YouTube comments. So all you need to do to win this one is leave a comment below with the hashtag NBAir. Only one winner will be selected randomly through a comment selector for the YouTube. So it does count only for the YouTube video. So the comments down below this video, just go ahead and leave a comment and make sure to include NBAir if you do want to go into the running to win one of these power banks. So now this power bank is 5000 milliamp hours, very similar in design to what we previously reviewed. This one here, which is the NB 10000 Gen 3. So this one has a little button here that when you press it, it gives you the lights to show how much power is left, and two in and out charging ports. Now this one also does have rubber corners and is weather resistant and drop resistant. Now this new NB Air is also weather and drop resistant. It has a similar rounded corners and is very comfortable to hold and is very small and light, but it is half the capacity of this one. It does also have the lights, so it has a capacitive button here, which you just pop your finger over and it will show you how many lights left of power you have, and then it has a single USB in and out port there. So what I really like about this one is the rounded corners make it really nice and comfortable to hold. So when you plug a cable into this and use it with your phone, it's just very comfortable. You can see the corners don't cut into your hand when you're using it while it's charging. Now because it is so small, I like to carry this charging cable here. This is kind of a multi-adaptive cable. This is actually a knockoff version of one of the more expensive ones you can get on Amazon. I got this one for a few dollars on AliExpress, so I'll leave a link in the description. But essentially it has a USB-A which you can pop off and change it to a USB-C, and it has a lightning adapter here which you can also change to a USB-C. So what I do is I just show you that if you plug this into the USB-C there, it will automatically light up to start charging. And then what you do is just plug the other end into your phone and you can see it's already charging. But this makes a really nice, comfortable setup. So while I'm holding this, it's not cutting into my hand on the side there, and it is very comfortable. And it gives me enough power to recharge my phone probably 1.5 times. And it is very small and light, and you don't even feel it in your bag because it's probably the smallest power bank that I've tried yet. Although of course it is only 5000 milliamp hours. So if you did want a slightly larger capacity, then you probably want to go for this one here, which is the 10,000 milliamp hour version. So this one here, do go ahead and leave a comment in the description if you want to go into the running to win one, and I'll leave the full rules and details of the competition in the comment below, so do go ahead and read those if you are interested in entering. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.